Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now here take a 2D sketch. We are going to select the XY plane. This will be the front plane. You can see here. Take the circle command. From the center point, make one circle of diameter 30 mm. From same center point, make one more circle of diameter 55 mm. Okay, now finish sketch, zoom out. Now take extrude command, select this profile, and here we are going to take extrude of 70 mm. We will take here a symmetric extrude. Okay, so this will be half this side and half this side. Okay, now press OK. Now we are going to generate the other profiles. Go to 2D sketch. From here, go to origin and again select the XY plane. Okay, this will be the front view once again. Take the line command and make a rough sketch first. Okay, a straight line here, one line here, here, and one here, like this. Here, one, and this will be the joining profile. Okay, so this is rough sketch now. Go to dimension. Here we will define the dimensions one by one. This will be 80 mm. Okay, this dimension will be 50 mm. The below dimension, this will be of 30 mm. This dimension here will be 55 mm. Okay, now here define this height as 40 mm and the gap here will be of 16 mm. Okay, now go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this circle. Okay, it is already tangent. Escape. Now we will see why this line is not moving. Okay, you can see this line is not completely horizontal. So here we will select the horizontal constraint, select this line. Okay, similarly, okay, this is horizontal. Escape. Now here we have a movement here. To constrain this movement, go to dimension, define this height here as 8 mm. Okay, now escape. Now go to the fillet command, take here a fillet, take here a radius of 8 mm, select this edge and select this edge and exit. Okay, so we have a 8 radius here. Now finish sketch, take the extrude command and select this profile. Okay, here we are going to select symmetric profile and the dimension here will be of 45 mm extrude. This will be a joining profile. Here you can see join and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command and take here 2-point center rectangle. Select this center point, make a rectangle, go to dimension, define the width here as 16 mm, take it as 15 mm and this total length of 60 mm. Okay, go to 3D model, take extrude and here we are going to make a cut. So click on cut and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. So when I rotate this profile, you can see this is a through cut. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command. We have to make a circle on center of this profile. So from here we will drag the cursor like this and make a circle here of diameter 15 mm. Okay, and from same center point a diameter of 30 mm. Now to constrain this, go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center point. So it will be aligned horizontally. Now go to vertical constraint, select this center, this yellow point and the center point of circle. Now you can see this is fully constrained. Here you can see fully constrained sketch. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select the middle profile, and here we are going to take extrude of 35 mm. This will be also a joining profile. Press OK. Now go to part 1. We have this rib profile over here. Go to part 2. Here take again the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Here go to the view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch again. Take the line command and make one line here, join till this point. Okay, and drag it inside and till this and till here. Okay, go to coincident, select this point and select this face. So this will be on this face. When I rotate the profile, I want a distance from this cut. So go to dimension, select this cut and select this starting point. Define this dimension as 20 mm. Okay, go to front view and here define this dimension. Okay, from this face we want escape. So first go to project geometry, project this face. Now escape. Go to dimension, define this dimension as 5 mm. Okay, now this is fully constrained. Now escape from dimension command, select this yellow lines, like this and this line, make them construction geometry. So these are the reference geometries. Now finish sketch, take extrude, here take symmetric extrude once again, take distance 10 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay. Now go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Go to 3D model, take fillet, take here a fillet radius of 5 mm. Go to edge selection, select this edge, this bottom edge, backside bottom edge and this bottom edge. Rotate, select this edge, okay, and select this circular edges also, this and this. Okay, I think we have selected all. Now press OK. Now here we will define the appearance. I have taken here the aluminum finish, so I will take aluminum polished. Okay, so this is the final model. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.